Mubs got beats.
Check these out.
I'm about to vlog what just happened. Well, that Maxima, this mother, he comes in, he goes over there, he parks, I start recording him, then he goes, he comes somewhere, then he goes out there, comes here really slow, I start recording again, he comes up and drives like really slow. Oh, there you go, I think that's him. I'm calling the police. See, they're coming. They're coming for you. What the fuck?
I'm in your car. Let's go. I'm gonna leave my car for now. We're gonna come back to one. Like shit. Oh, that was funny. We just playing.
Dude, look. What the fuck?
My bad. We did
Like, whose friend is that, man? Like, what is the fuck is going on? I'm about to end it. I don't know what the fuck this stalker's doing.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.